Hello, welcome back. My life is Mathland channel. It is Zero to Hero series. Let's discuss about continuity for fundamental Zero to Hero series. A function f of x is continuous at x is equal to a if limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. Means LHL and RHL and the values submitting 3 are equal, the function is a continuous. Remember, let's say left hand limit and right hand limit and the value must be equal and find think of a beach. If your left side and the right side, the middle joining the perfectly bridge is continuous. Next, once solve the one problem on JE mains problem previous. High focus. JE mains for previous year problem if f of x is equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x if x is not equal to pi by 2. 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. Continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, find the value of k. Let's go to the solving. Limit extends to pi by 2, k into cos x by pi minus 2x is equal to limit extends to pi by 2. I will derive the both numerator and denominator. After deriving, I will get minus k sin x by minus 2 there is equal to k by 2. So already the final answer equate the limit value. Already limit value they given 3x is equal to pi by 2. So it is equal to k by 2 is equal to 3. K is equal to 6. Our next topic is the intermediate value theorem IVT. Let's move to the topic. The intermediate value theorem says that the concept if f of x is a continuous and closed interval a comma b and k is a any number between f of a and f of b, then there exists at least one c in a comma open interval a comma b. So f of c is equal to k. There is no confuse. F of x, the function is continuous, closed interval a comma b, and k is lie between f of a and f of b. So c is at least one variable in between open interval a comma b is a satisfy. F of c is equal to k. It is a not a big concept. There is no teleportation rule. To get from height A to height B on continuous mountain, you must pass through the every height in between. You can't skip the teleport. So solve the one problem on this. JE practice problem. Show that equation x cube plus minus 1 is equal to 0 has at least one real root, the in between interval 0 comma 1. So our according to our intermediate value theorem, f of x is equal to x cube plus x plus minus 1. F of 0 is equal to 0 cube 0 0 minus 1 that is equal to minus 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the final answer f of 0 is a negative and f of 1 is a positive. So the function must be cross the 0 at most some point c is belongs to open interval 0 comma 1. Thus is a root is existed. Let's move to the next problem. A math challenge on continuity. Let's do the problem. It's a continuity challenge. Continuity challenge 0 to hero series. Concept. A function continuity at a point involving absolute value like mod x. Mod x. Remember technique. The V-shape rule. Absolute value functions like a mod x are always continuous because you never lift your pen to draw V shape, even though there is a sharp corner. So, challenge problem. Check your continuity of f of x is equal to mod x by x at x is equal to 0. Hint to solve. Find LHL. X tends to 0 minus. Mod x is equal to minus x and find RHL. Yet x is equal x tends to 0 plus. Mod x is a plus x. The final action. What is your final action? Let's solve. Comment to me. Answer. What is the answer? Please subscribe.